Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker in a Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. The first thing we do is make sure the phone is turned off, so if your phone is on, you need to turn it off. We do not clean the phone while it is turned on, because you could damage it. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates. And you can buy such a set with a brush and this diffuser on Allegro or Amazon. Regardless of the manufacturer, these boxes are all the same inside, and if you don't have the option, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch the phone's casing. So we have the phone turned off. We thoroughly dampen the toothbrush, the brush with alcohol, or the toothbrush, depending on what you are using. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the buzzer. We clean this buzzer with a steady motion in one direction. 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then in the other direction, exactly the same, 10 to 15 strokes. Then towards the screen. And towards the back cover, the same thing. If it is very dirty, you need to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction so that it is perfectly cleaned and works like new. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates from the phone, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. And see you in my next video.